Hello everyone, I'm Joe with MMBR Homes. Today we're at Caitlin and Andy's house. We started this job on November 1st. Today is November 17th and all the cabinets delivered today ahead of schedule. Already we've completed demo, framing, HVAC, and electrical, and before this month is over, the walls will be primed and the first day of cabinet installation will begin. Our goal for this client is to have this house move-in ready with a build span of 8 weeks, and right now we're right on target. I just have one question for you. Does your definition of fast include home remodeling projects? It will if you choose MMBR Homes.